nè say hi
mau cái suy trai ai
hi Ali how are you
ត្រឡប់មកពីវត្តវិញហើយអញនេះមកផ្ទះវិញ
mấy tôi cho nên là nè là nè cười cái nòng là nè ấm ra say hi this is the water
Chính hai tiền
water
Chẳng hai nữa Để kênh rồi nữa
The tall one was the prettiest one.
Để căn camera này đó là căn vì bọn mình là nó dừng mà bị bọn mình hay nè để kẹp đám đóng là ôi xả hay đó khang một nó thì chết đó là tiền nổi cua khang một đây đây một đây thực tế nên cái sụt tray sụt ấy đó
It's a Cambodia is a girl dominated.
nè
It's good that guys, you know, like some guys now when they start to do this.
still smell cái gì
Cambodia is smart. Something. It's like very precise. Yeah, you have to get into into it. Like what people that watch it, they have to be like intrigued by it because it's a slow dance.
tam cái nếp cho cái mùi mùi cái ở mùi mùi nó cái châm xe châm cô rồi cục pe ấy đó hay ở miền ở tàu khang khơi nó thôi miền chỉ ca chả hay tàu vạn một nâng ở ban thọt video ấy chả tê ban thọt trong cái róm cái lại sờ bài mờ pe cái đó ban thọt chả
You know what he comes more often now.
này
street rally
lại cái châm ấy này bắp bè
fishing
trồng bắp bè sẽ bắp bè
But it's because they're handsome. They're like they grow and they're
big
look good.
fish
See, like
us that mean a lot
Elisa, S.
F
Not
fish
S. But F. F.
S
không
S
F. Make it like
Letter.
nó spin tên nó
like
quá hàng là cái tiền đó là
like
bây dục mắt hay xa đấy lên phố
chẳng ai tóc trắng it's old they're not using it they're not using it ba tiệt tệ
Like when at night, you know, you see all those red lights. Oh, when open night, so like this mountain, you see all them stalking.
image blue
You see her house.
color blue cram green nè
nè một bánh ngon đấy mua bánh bánh tân niên bánh thời bánh bên này
Coal.
mà bật bong bật on hết rồi
Where's the point?
mua một tết kìa
អូនេះខ្លោចខ្លោចសាកោ
Go rip huh? Here, her shirt was right.
គោគេបលែងអាស៊ីពីណាពីណីចឹងទៅនេះនៅតែពីនេះស្លាស់ហ្នឹងគេមានលបងគេខៀងដែរលបងបន្លាលួសទុយទុយបន្លាលួសគេដាក់បន្លាលួសដើម្បីឲ្យវាឆ្លងខ្នល់សាកោនេះពេញដាពេញណី
The favorite mountain in Hawaii when people climb over those stairs. That's crazy.
Oh, you got China.
នេះគឺតែកូនសัตว์កូនស្អី
That thing is in Hawaii.
ទាណាទាព្រៃណាញ៉ាញ៉ាទុយទុយហែតទឹកតាម
Is that Hawaii or China?
Hawaii.
Oh my god, that shit is fucking.
នោះស្ពានណោះ
Hi.
នោះស្ពាននោះ
Straight up.
ទៀតឆ្លងស្ពានហ្នឹង
Yeah.
អស់ហើយ
And it just clinks like as steps.
Would you climb that shit?
I would try, but
Hell no, I would not next year. I'd be hella mad at you if you did that. Your ass. That shit.
see it
Like, you know, get the fuck down right now. I'm about to yell at everybody, don't you fucking dare.
the China one, that's the one who fall off. The one with the
Yeah.
chains.
Yeah.
That's in China.
Oh my god.
spin at last spin for
It's like rock climbing.
bridge go up the bridge
I get vertigo. That's the thing. Like people are scared because people can look at it and they're not like get
Love it.
shamed.
They
No,
love it.
they have to. They look at it and they see still.
Yeah.
They see the wind and they can like fight it. We
Like
have
how
this like
people-
I'm starting
នេះ
to
ស្ដា
Like how people climb Mount
ជា
Everest.
កងាន
It's scary.
Lord, like
Yeah.
យើងងានដូចទាទេ
buildings
ទាំងវងដែរ
top of the cranes.
នេះឥឡូវចាប់ផ្ដើមឡើងស្ពានហើយណា
What is it called? Paragliding? Not paragliding. This is when they hardcore something kind of like that, but then it's all the way up there. Like,
Because Everest, there's bodies of
yeah, there's a lot.
almost that.
That's crazy. Imagine how
I cannot do nothing about it. Like the bears.
What if like you bring it down and they like
They
come
can't.
back to life?
Maybe. But it's crazy because the bodies don't decompose. They stay like
Yeah,
that.
that's what I'm saying. They can bring them back to life, but if they stay back to the dead, those people might live.
But then people that frozen over those crazy bodies.
Yeah.
It's a chronic, tough chronic. Chronic freeze. But like, yeah, people are frozen.
Then
and then
alamay.
people have to like walk over it and stuff.
That's crazy.
And then people is crazy because people don't want to identify them. They don't want to open the like yellow seal. The yellow green. They want to just people to just open it and know who it is, you know?
បាញ់ណាបាញ់ណីណោះ
I didn't want to touch it either. I was scared.
Right?
took some what man ấy đấy